Here's a pair of Beats Studio buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a PS5 via Bluetooth. Now, in order to connect these via Bluetooth to your PS5, we need some kind of Bluetooth adapter, okay? I have this one here, C81 Aventry. It's a USB-C transmitter here, okay? Again, it's USB-C. And out of this box, you get like several things. I mean, you get the transmitter itself with a button here to put it in pairing mode. And again, is USB-C, which will plug that right into our PS5. You also get an adapter here, a USB-C to USB-A, which we don't need. And you also get a Bluetooth mic here, which we don't need this either, okay? But if you want to use it, you can plug that into there and then use the Bluetooth mic here. However, we don't need that because we already have built-in Bluetooth mic in here. So anything we're going to need is this little thing right here. So let's first plug this in here, okay? Just make sure the front side is up so you can see the light blinking. So I'm going to put it in this way here. Pop that in there. Now also make sure that you are logged into your username on your PS5. So this is plugged in right now. It's not in pairing mode. If you press and hold that, once it starts blinking blue, white, that's indicating it's in pairing mode. But let's go ahead and put these in pairing mode first, okay? So let's grab these Beats here. Let me open these up, and there's a button up here. Let me press and hold this button until we get like a white blinking light over here. Okay, so this is in pairing mode. Now let's put this in pairing mode. Let's press and hold until we get a rapid blue, white right there. And just leave it there. If you have issues pairing and connecting, you can always reset these buds as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to reset these if you have issues, okay? Now look, we got a solid blue light here. Now let me go ahead and put the buds on. Okay, so the buds are in my ear, but there's no audio coming out. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have to go to settings on your PS5. So grab your controller. We're going to go to settings here, and then we're going to go down to sound right there. Then we're going to go down to audio output. Okay, and then you want to select that. And now we're at output device. Mine is currently from the TV. You can see right there. Let me go ahead and select that. And now we should be able to move up to the Aventry C81. Click on that right there, and right now I hear the audio coming out of the earbuds. And then you also want to go down here and just make sure that this is off, okay? Switch output device automatically, make sure that's off. And also just move over to the left here and move over to microphone, okay? And you can see input device or microphone is to the Aventry C81. We're not gonna use that little Bluetooth mic, so we wanna click on that and we just wanna use the microphone on our controller. So click on that right there. And you also have a volume down here if you wanna increase or decrease the volume there. So audio, everything is coming out. Everything is all good. Any questions or issues, comment below.